how to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and after that disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it, and after 30 seconds enable it. Go back to the settings and open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find the apps that you have in your phone. So what you want to do is scroll. Okay, let's keep waiting. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on storage, click on clear data, and go back, click on permissions, make sure to enable everything, turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.